Porsche has taken their luxury SUV to new heights with the 2024 Cayenne, featuring a highly digitalized display and control concept, innovative chassis technology, and state-of-the-art features. Michael Schatzler, vice president product of the Cayenne line, calls it one of Porsche's most extensive upgrades ever. Among its offerings are HD Matrix LED headlights, an air quality system, and a front passenger infotainment display. The 2024 Cayenne showcases a completely revamped display and control concept called the Porsche Driver Experience, first seen in the Porsche Taycan. This system focuses on the driver's axis, optimizing functionality with frequently used functions situated on or near the steering wheel. The redesigned center console offers storage compartments and a stylish black panel design for the air conditioning controller. The Cayenne's cockpit now includes a fully digital 12.6-inch curved instrument cluster, offering variable display options. The standard 12.3-inch central Porsche communication management display integrates into the dashboard, granting access to essential vehicle functions. Native apps like Spotify and Apple Music ensure optimal connectivity, while a 10.9-inch passenger display enhances the front passenger's experience. The SUV's exterior boasts a distinctively sporty appearance with a new front end, more pronounced wings, a redesigned bonnet, and technical-looking headlights. The rear end features three-dimensional taillights, clean surfaces, and a new rear bumper. Customers can choose from an expanded color palette, including 3 new shades, lightweight sports packages, and a range of 20, 21, and 22-inch wheels. Matrix LED headlights come standard on the new Cayenne, with optional HD Matrix LED headlights available. Their cutting-edge technology prevents dazzling other road users, adjusting brightness in over 1,000 steps based on driving conditions. Customized light modes further enhance safety and comfort. Porsche introduces an air quality system in the 2024 Cayenne. The vehicle uses predictive navigation data to detect tunnels, activating air recirculation automatically. An optional fine dust filter and ionizer further purify the air, benefiting allergy sufferers. The Cayenne offers new and improved assistance systems, including evasion assist, cornering assist, and the enhanced Porsche InnoDrive as part of the adaptive cruise control. These upgrades improve safety in dangerous situations and during traffic jams. The 2024 model features a steel spring suspension with Porsche Active Suspension Management as standard. New shock absorbers with 2-valve technology provide optimized performance in various driving situations. An optional adaptive air suspension with 2-chamber 2-valve technology further improves the driving experience. European customers can choose from 3 different engine versions. The new Cayenne S features a 4-liter V8 biturbo engine, replacing the previous V6. The base model offers an optimized 3-liter V6 turbo engine, while the Cayenne E-Hybrid pairs a 6-cylinder engine with a 130-kilowatt electric motor. Designers have emphasized the SUV's wings, resulting in a more athletic and expressive appearance. The redesigned headlights and larger air intakes contribute to the striking look. The rear features a new LED light strip, including taillights and indicators, spanning the entire rear area in an arc-like fashion. The Porsche logo adopts a 3-dimensional freestanding design. Aerodynamically optimized wheel designs are also available for the first time. Also, customers can select from 12 body colors, including 3 new shades: Algarve Blue Metallic, Montego Blue Metallic, and Arctic Gray. The paint-to-sample option provides even more color choices, including popular shades from Porsche's history. The 2024 Porsche Cayenne's sporty exterior is further enhanced by the availability of lightweight sports packages for the Cayenne Coupe, which can save up to 33 kilograms. These packages provide an opportunity for drivers to customize their Cayenne, reflecting their individual preferences and requirements. Inside, the Cayenne offers an elevated level of comfort and luxury. High-quality materials and advanced ergonomics ensure a superior driving experience. The spacious cabin accommodates passengers with ease, while the storage options ensure practicality for daily use or extended trips. The 2024 Cayenne's performance is complemented by its advanced safety features. A comprehensive suite of safety systems includes advanced airbags, stability control, and driver assistance technologies. These safety features work together to provide a secure environment for occupants and contribute to the vehicle's impressive safety ratings. For those seeking even more customization, Porsche offers a range of additional features and accessories, such as premium audio systems, advanced driver assistance packages, and interior and exterior styling options. This allows customers to create a truly unique Cayenne tailored to their specific desires. The Porsche Cayenne raises the bar in the luxury SUV segment, delivering an unparalleled combination of performance, technology, and design. With its myriad of advanced features, customizable options, and dynamic driving experience, The new Cayenne is set to become a benchmark in its class. As Porsche continues to innovate and evolve, the Cayenne is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence in engineering and design. Drivers and passengers alike can expect an unmatched driving experience as the Cayenne solidifies its position as the sportiest SUV in its segment. The Porsche Cayenne in Porsche Racing Green color showcases the perfect blend of elegance, performance, and technology. With its myriad of enhancements and striking design, the new Cayenne is poised to set the standard for luxury SUVs for years to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.